You can make a professional ad for just $4. No need to learn AI or write code. Just use an AI assistant. First, check the result. 30 seconds, 6 scenes. Underwater swimming, coming out of the water, quick dry close-up, coffee shop, running at sunset. All AI generated. Cost, $4.14. Time, 30 minutes. This AI assistant is part of Ima Claw. Think of it as a 24/7 video production assistant. In this video, I'll show you how to make ads with Ima Claw. Step 1. Tell Ima Claw what you want. Just 3 things. What's the product? Who is it for? What's your budget? That's all it needs to get started. Step 2. Wait for Ima Claw to send you a plan. It includes storyboards, shot suggestions, model options, and cost estimates. Once you confirm, production can begin. Step 3. Let Ima Claw do the work while you relax. It updates you automatically. Scene 1 complete, moving to Scene 2. No need to watch closely. It keeps you posted. Step 4. Review and approve the final video. 6 scenes and background music are edited together automatically. Just download and use. No editing skills required. Now it's your turn. Open Ima Claw and tell it your product, audience, and budget. It will handle the rest. If you have any questions, leave a comment.